Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pleasant stories and anecdotes narrated by Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wassalam. Two disciples of Sheikh Saadi. A flaw of someone should only be mentioned after supplicating fervently for at least 40 days. Sheikh Saadi had two disciples. One of them proclaimed wisdom, whereas the other suffered in jealousy. Eventually, the first disciple told Saadi, "When I give an account of wisdom, he becomes jealous and envious." Sheikh Saadi replied, "He chose the path to hell on account of jealousy, and you became a backbiter." Thus, this community cannot prosper unless there prevails mercy, prayer, forbearance, and grace among its members.